Hello guys and welcome to Login Aid. So today in this video we will learn how to use Amazon gift card. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a preferred web browser. Go to the search tab and type amazon.com and press enter. Now make sure that you have already logged into your account. So with this you will directly land on the homepage. Now from the homepage you can see here account and list at the right side. So from the account and list, click on accounts. You can see here your accounts. From the given option, click on gift cards. Now from here you can reload your balance or redeem a gift card. You can redeem all kind of gift cards including Amazon. All you need to do is click on redeem a gift card button right here. On the next step, enter your Amazon gift card number right here. That's usually 14 to 15 digits. That's located at the back of your gift card. So enter it right away. And after you do it, click on apply to your balance button. And once you do this, your Amazon gift card balance will be added to your Amazon account and you would get to see the balance right here. That's currently 0. So once it is added to your account, you will be able to purchase any kind of products on Amazon. So this was it for today guys. I really hope that the video was helpful for you all and you guys liked the video. If you guys found the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated.